Hello. I had to show you this. I was watching yesterday one of my neighbors from afar as I was walking down the street. She was outside, I want to say, for at least a couple hours with a bucket and soap and a scrub brush, and she was scrubbing her window screens. And I really just wanted to rush over there and show her this trick because literally I can do all my window screens in, I want to say, less than 5 minutes. So I know a lot of you probably have this product in your home anyway, especially if you're from Manitoba, you know, the birthplace of Norwex and all. This is a basic staple product you probably have. And if you did not know this, you are going to thank me, I promise you. So, Norwex dusting mitt. I ran it under the tap. It's wet. This is the only time I ever use it wet, is to do my screens. You wring it out. You put it on. You take one of your window screens, like so, and you quickly just wipe. And I might wipe the other side, but often you don't even need to wipe the other side. But literally, like, I don't know if you can tell because I'm in the sun outside. It gets pretty black and grungy pretty quick, but that's literally it. No hosing the screens, no putting them in the bathtubs, like nothing. You can do this in your house. You can do this in the sun on your deck. But it is super, super simple, super fast. And then when you're done with this and it's really gross, or if you need to rinse it in between, under running water, rub it on itself, and that's it. So did you guys know that, or is this a surprise to you? Because, you know, I do mention this at my parties because I think that this is one of the best things, like a best kept secret of things you can do with your dusting mitt. So if you're like me and you're thinking it's time to get those screens out, don't worry. It's not as big of a job as it seems. You can literally do it in probably 5 minutes. All right, have a happy sunny day. Bye.